So guys, as you can see that if you want to earn a good income from Adsterra, it's very important to know what is the actually method is working. And so many question have you have comment in my comment section. I already said that you need a proper good website link, which I have already shared with you, but this is very updated one, and this website is very effective. And if you one time set up this website, you can earn a good income from Adsterra. And you can see the method is very simple. Every video I just use same method, same simple method, and as you can see the earning is actually not very much, but good, because you need to know the setup of how traffic you can send in your blog. And see, this is one of my blog traffic. This is very simple, and I didn't work I mean last 2 or 3 days actually I didn't work on that, but views is coming like every day, views come. And the interesting things is I have so many blog, and every blog I just set up, and I after set up those, I just use those free traffic website. And the method is very simple. When you one time sign up those in this free traffic website, you then just click on the extension or click on the start surfing, watch ad now. So when you watch another people ad, then you can send the traffic to your website like it's a exchange. If you see another person website like this, see, I just click on the extension, my work is ongoing. I don't know, I don't sometimes I didn't need to sign in also. Just click on the extension, just start the software, it's work automatically, and traffic sent in my website automatically. That's the actually main setup. I hope guys you got my point. And see, every method will not work, but I only shared those method which is actually working. And there is nothing best website for traffic. It's actually depend on your users. I mean, when you give time, when you work on the method for a long time, then you can see the result. Otherwise, by doing just 30 minutes 1 hour, you cannot get the good result. You need to be consistent. And I am already sharing this with you, the free traffic website list. It's very uh, easy to get the link from here. You just click on this box and you will get the link. And also you can earn a good earning from Adsterra. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope I will share a new method with you very soon. Thank you guys.